Hi, I'm Sean from mindpossible.com. I made a video recently about how to use a jaw harp for spiritual practice. Since then, a couple of friends have let me know that they've begun playing the jaw harp, which is amazing. So I decided to make a how-to video for complete beginners. This is part 1. It's pretty boring. It gets a little more interesting in part 2, and the link for that is in the description section below. But if you've never put a mouth harp in your mouth before, this video is for you. So mouth harps come in many different shapes. They're from all over the world. But there is a basic concept to all of them, is that you don't bite them, but you press them up against your teeth like this. And there's a tongue that moves in between the metal bars, and when it vibrates, it moves between your teeth. So it shouldn't be touching your teeth at all. The key to this is when you press it against your mouth, against your teeth, as you try different techniques, stay relaxed. The more relaxed you can be so that your jaw doesn't move, the more success you'll have. Start by plucking inward. Most harps are designed to be plucked inward, although many can be plucked outward. And there's a sweet spot in your teeth formation. Everyone's teeth are shaped differently, so you'll find it. You want the tip of the mouth harp to be somewhere around your front 2 teeth. And when you find it, it'll just vibrate more comfortably in your head. If it's not quite right, it doesn't sound quite right. See? So satisfying. The only other thing you need to know at this point is when you pluck your harp, you need to pluck so that the reed moves in and out without banging on the upper and lower bars or banging on your teeth. This means if you're using your finger like this, you're pulling the reed back evenly and forward evenly. Some people use this style where you just relax your wrist and your finger. In all cases, if you strike it downward or upward somehow, it'll click against the rest of the jaw harp or against your teeth. So just be sure that you're going inward and outward evenly. This is a little more tricky depending on the kind of harp you're using, because different harps have different shapes of bars. So it might rest on your tooth forward or leaning back like this, depending on the shape of your teeth also. So you have to adjust the way you pluck with the shape of the bars of the harp. Every mouth harp is different and has its own personality in a way. So you can't force it to be a certain way for you. You have to work your way around to be a friend with your harp. The best thing to do is lay back on a couch or go outside somewhere where you have plenty of time and just slowly begin plucking away, finding where on your teeth it feels best and sounds best. Take your time with it. Maybe do it while you're sitting on the sofa or lying in your bed. Slowly get to pluck, get to know the feeling, get to know the quality of what the harp is good for. Is it good for plucking in, for plucking out? How does it feel? But take your time, and over time you'll get familiar enough with it that you know exactly how to put it to your mouth to start playing right away successfully. So that's enough to get you started. You'll want to go to part 2 if you're ready to start playing a little bit and learning different techniques. So have fun.